Well, this question says the ratio of red marbles to green marbles in a jar was 5:3. And when 55 red marbles were added into the jar, the ratio of red marbles to green marbles became 15:6. Alright, so let's proceed on to constructing the model first. Alright, a step at a time. Firstly, the ratio was 5:3 for red is to green, right? Okay, then we were told that when 55 added, the ratio become 15:6. Red is to green. We must know that only red marbles were added. Green marbles remain the same, right? So that means to say, at first the model was 5 units is to 3 units, and then in the end, the green marbles, don't forget, we will use back the same model because nothing changed to the model, okay? But we want to cut into 6 parts. That's all, because the ratio shows 6 here. All right. What about the red? Initially it was 5 units, but when 55 more marbles added in, then it becomes 15 parts according to the ratio. Sorry, when 55 added in, the ratio of 5 units become 15 parts. All right. Okay. So now straight away we can tell that from here we can tell that 3 units is equal to 6 parts. 1 unit is equal to 2 parts. So we can convert these units into parts. All right. 5 units become actually 10 parts. Look here. All right. Then by comparing this part of the model for the rate, straight away we know that 5 parts will be equal to 55, and therefore 1 part is equal to 11. That's 1 part. Okay, now we proceed on. If Jim wanted the final ratio of red marbles to green marbles to be 7:3, okay, so we want the ratio to be 7:3. How many red marbles he should take out of the jar? So we look at this tree here. It coincides the green, coincide with the model at first. That means to say we can use back the same model for green, but it's just that now we are converting it back to units. So we want the green to be of 3 units. Nothing changed to the green, but we want the red to be 7 units. All right, but we already know that 1 unit is equal to 2 parts. Therefore, 7 units is equal to 14 parts. Okay, so right here we have 15 parts of red. So we must take out 1 part so that the remaining will be 14 parts, right? So what is 1 part? 1 part is 11, as we calculated earlier. That means to say, Jim had to remove 11 red marbles in order to make the ratio red is to green as 7:3 in the end. Thank you for using Playmaths.com.